The most popular trend with makeup nowadays is a highlight. I mean, I think it's been like this for a decade, but it's gotten to a point where we all want that perfect highlight, but we want it to look as natural and glowy as possible. It can be natural because it's glowy, but you don't want it to look cakey. Now, I'm here to help you with that. First, start off with a really good primer. For me, I have dry skin, so I use a Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm applying this with a microfiber brush all over my face. This concealer is actually the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Concealer. And because I'm someone who does everything backwards, I'm going to be applying concealer first. And this magical brush that I'm using is by far my favorite brush. I use this for concealer, like contouring my nose. I even use it for eyeshadow. The first step to the pre-highlighting stage is a liquid highlighter. This is actually the only step. Use a liquid highlighter. Use your favorite one. I like using the subtle one from Tarte. It's called the Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. This is gonna do is basically give you that natural glow with your foundation. I'm using the same microfiber brush that I used in the beginning to apply my primer. And with this brush, I'm applying the liquid highlighter on my cheekbone and my brow bone. Now for the fun stuff, here is my foundation. I'm using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. And I'm just using the Beauty Blender and applying this all over my face, neck, and ears. I'm applying some powder in my under eye area and on the forehead. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Persimmon highlighter, and this is a cream highlighter. I apply directly in back of my hand, and then with my finger, apply it on my cheekbone and brow bone area. And this is the good stuff. Beverly Hills Emrezi best highlighter ever. And I'm applying it. La. Yes, it is beautiful. Such a beautiful natural glow. Because this video is about highlight and highlight only, I'm just gonna speed up the contour, the blush, and the eyeshadow, and then show you guys the final look. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you learned something from this video. I know I skipped a couple of steps, but I really wanted to just focus on what was relevant. Please let me know if you have any suggestions, if maybe you have a couple of tips for me. I'd love to hear them. Comment down below. And there goes my awkward goodbye. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.